Hello dear students, welcome to my 5th class on module 3 relations and functions. In this lecture video, I'll be discussing about 0-1 matrix and directed graphs. So first we will discuss about 0 matrix. So to define this 0 matrix, I'll be taking an m cross n matrix. So an m cross n 0 matrix, it is denoted by the notation capital E and it is defined by Eij of the order m cross n, and it is a rectangular arrangement of m rows and n columns. So where this Eij is nothing but where I ranges from 1 to m and j ranges from 1 to n, and which denotes the entries of ith row and jth column here of the m cross n 0 matrix E, and each entry of this matrix is given by with the entries 0 and 1. So this kind of matrix will be called as in 0 matrix. So next is n cross n 0, 1 matrix. So for all n belongs to the integer z plus, in is equal to delta ij n cross n is the n cross n 0 matrix 0, 1 matrix, where this delta ij is given by 1 if I is equal to j, and it is given by 0 if I is not equal to j. So next is digraph of a relation. So to define a digraph, I must have a finite non-empty set. So I'll be taking V is equal to n finite non-empty set, and this digraph G on V is made up of all the elements of V. So also this all the elements of V will be called as in vertices or nodes of G, and the subset E of V cross V that contains edges or arcs of G. So therefore the set V will be called as an vertex set of G, and the set E will be called as an edge set of V. So therefore the digraph G is made up of the ordered pair of vertices and edges. It is given by G is equal to V comma E. Okay, and the ordered pair A comma A will be called as an loop of the given digraph. So problem number 1, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements of the non-empty set A, and let R be the relation on A defined by x r y if and only if y is equal to 2x. The first condition is we have to write down the R as a set of ordered pairs. Second one is draw the digraph of R. Third one is determine in degrees and out degrees of the vertices in the digraph. So first I am going to find the relation R in terms of ordered pairs. Okay, since the set A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, now I am going to frame the ordered pairs. So as I told that R must be contained in the A cross A relation, right? So okay, so the given that y is equal to 2x, if I replace x is equal to if I replace x is equal to 1, I'll be getting y is equal to 2. So I can make the first ordered pair is 1, 2. If I replace x is equal to 2, I'll be getting y is equal to 4. So I'll be getting like 2, 4. If I replace x is equal to 3, I'll be getting the ordered pair. I'll be getting y is equal to 6. The ordered pair will be 3, 6. But we have to note that this 3, 6 does not belong to the Cartesian product A cross A here. Similarly, if x is equal to 8, 4, I'll be getting y is equal to 8. The ordered pair will be 4, 8. And same thing that 4, 8 also does not belong to the A cross A. So I'll be taking R is equal to only 1, 2 and 2, 4 as a relation now. So now for this relation, I'll be plotting the digraph. So the digraph is given by like this. So the vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4. The first ordered pair is 1, 2. So I'm taking a line, the outward line, out degree line from 1 to 2 here. 1 to 2, I'm drawing an out degree line here, and similarly the next pair is 2, 4. So a line is moving from 2 to 4. This is another digraph we obtained from the given relation. So now I'm going to find the in degrees and out degrees for the obtained vertices. So from the above digraph we can note that 3 is an isolated vertex here, and the obtained vertex are 1, 2, 4 here. So for this 1, 2, 4, I'm going to find the in degrees and out degrees. So it is shown in the following table. So the vertices are actually about 1, 2, 4. So first I'm going to find in degree. So now we can observe that at the point at the vertex 1 there is no incoming lines here, so I'll be putting in degree 0 here. And similarly at the vertex 2 I'm having one and one line which is moving from 1 to 2, so I can assign the value 1 for vertex number 2. So similarly 4 also, between 2 and 4 a line is moving from 2 to 4 here, so I can assign the value 1 for vertex number 4. So now I'll be finding out degree. So a line is moving from 1 to 2 here, so I can assign one value for out degree at the vertex 1. Similarly at 2 also we can see that one line is moving from 2 to 4 here, so I can assign the value 1 for 2 also. But at the point 4 there is no line moving outward, so I can assign the value 0 for the vertex 4 here. So next problem number 2. So let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and add the relation on A defined by A or B if and only if A is a multiple of B. A is a multiple of B, and this R is given by the following matrix, so we have to plot only digraph here. So first I'm going to make the ordered pairs. So R is given by 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 4, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 6. So now for this relation I'm going to make the matrix. So the matrix is given by like this. So now we can see that at 1, 1. So at row is equal to 1 and column is equal to 1. So I can assign the value 1 here. And next again at row is equal to 2, at row number 2 and column 1 I am giving the value 1 here. Again at row number 2 and column number 2 I can give the value 1 here. Again at row number 3 at column number 1 I can give the value 1 here. At row number 3 at column number 3 I can give value 1 here. At row number 4 at column 1 I can give value 1 here. At row number 4 column number 2 I can give value 1 here. At row number 4 at column number 4 I can give the value 1 here. Again at the row number 5 and the column number 1 the value will be 1. Again at row number 5 column number 2 the value will be 1. At row number 5 column number 3 the value will be 1. At row number 5 column number 5 the value will be equal to 1. And so now from this matrix I can make the digraph also. So the digraph is given by, so at 1, 1 is nothing but it's a loop, right? So I'm plotting a loop at the vertex 1. Again 2, 1. So from 2 to 1 I'm drawing a line. From 2 to 1 it is moving upward. Again 2 to 2 is a loop again 3 to 1. So from 3 to 1 I'm drawing a line which is moving upward. 3, 3 is again a loop here. 4, 1. So from 4 to 1 I'm drawing a line which is moving upward. 4, 2. So from 4, 2 also I'm drawing a line which is moving upward. 4, 4 is a loop again from 6, 1. So I'm drawing a line which is upward. 6, 2. A line is moving from 6 to 2 here. 6, 3. A line is moving from 6 to 3 here. 6, 6. Again it is a loop. So this is a matrix and digraph obtained from the relation R. So problem number 3. Find the relation which is given by the digraph which is given below and write down the matrix. So the first thing is R we have to find. From the R we can find the digraph also. Sorry, so we can find the matrix also. So the digraph is like this. So from this digraph I'm going to make the relation R first. So the first relation is at 1 I'm having 1, 4 and 4, 1, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. So this is a value of R, we got it. So now from this R I'll be making the matrix, right? And we can note that this R is contained in the relation in the Cartesian product A cross A also. So now for this I'm going to plot the matrix. So this is actually about 1, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4, column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4. So 1, 2 in the sense at row 1, column 2 I can assign the value 1. At row 1, column number 4 the value will be 1. At row number 2, column number 2 I can give the value 1. At row number 2, column number 3 I can give the value 1 here. Again at row number 4, column number 1 the value will be 1. At row number 4, column number 4 the value will be 1, and filling all the remaining entries as 0 here. So in the next class I'll be discussing about the properties of relation. Thank you.